Hello! Welcome to this week's AMA video. The second question that I got asked is about lives on Thinkific. If you're using Thinkific, you need to go to your courses, and this is free on all plans until December. But then after December, it's only available on Pro plans, which are your $79 a month plans and upwards. But it's quite a good feature because if you want to do a course that's also got a Zoom element, so you're going to join them live on Zoom, you can now do all of that through Thinkific. So rather than having it as links and then they have to go to Thinkific for the link and it draws them to somewhere else and it being a bit confusing, you can now do it directly from Thinkific. So what you do is you go into the course, add a lesson, and you now have live as an option. So you click on live and then you just connect Zoom to it, and you can schedule a live lesson using Zoom, either meetings or Zoom webinars, which is really quite cool. So then the customer, the client, is only using the one system. They're only using Thinkific and their Zoom calls are scheduled live into Thinkific. So you'd connect your Zoom, schedule your meeting, and then it would appear in your course wherever it is that you've decided to add it. Great new feature. I think it gives a lot of potential, especially if people are doing sort of memberships that include kind of group elements. It gives it a really good option. So that's how you do it. Hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's been useful for you. And join me next week for the next AMA.